Let's learn about farm animals. From mooing cows to fluffy sheep. From clucking hens to playful puppies. Farm animals are full of charm and surprises. Ready to visit the farmyard? Let's go! Say hello to a sheep.
Yay!
Sheep are fluffy and white, covered with warm wool. They stay together in groups called flocks. Their soft baa is heard across the fields.
This is a cow.
Yay!
Cows are gentle farm animals that give us fresh milk every day. They graze on grass in green fields and love chewing all day long.
Here comes a goat.
Yay!
Goats are playful and curious. They love to climb rocks, fences, and anything tall. With their horns and funny beards, they bring lots of fun to the farm.
Look, it's a horse.
Yay!
Horses are strong, fast, and beautiful. They gallop across fields and love to be ridden. Horses help farmers carry loads and are loyal friends.
Here comes a pig.
Yay!
Pigs are round, pink, and clever. They enjoy rolling in muddy puddles to keep cool. With their snouts, they dig the ground looking for food.
That's a donkey.
Yay!
Donkeys are calm, patient, and hardworking. They carry heavy loads and love a tasty carrot. Their loud hee-haw can be heard from far away.
This is a duck.
Yay!
Ducks love splashing in ponds. They waddle on land and glide smoothly in water. Their cheerful quack quack brings joy to the farm.
This is a dog.
Yay!
Dogs are loyal protectors of the farm. They bark to guard the animals and fields. Always playful, they love running with children.
Say hi to a hen.
Yay!
Hens cluck happily while pecking at grains. They give us eggs every day. With their feathery wings, they love to scratch the ground.
Say hello to a cat.
Yay!
Cats are clever hunters that chase mice around barns. They purr sweetly when happy. Soft and cuddly, they make wonderful farm pets.
Look, it's a rooster.
Yay!
Roosters wake up the farm every morning with a loud cock-a-doodle-doo. Their bright red combs and colorful feathers make them stand out.
Here comes a turkey.
Yay!
Turkeys are big, bold, and feathery. They spread their tails wide and gobble loudly. They strut around the farm proudly.
Here comes a rabbit.
Yay!
Rabbits are soft, fluffy hoppers. They dig little burrows and nibble on carrots and greens. With long ears and twitchy noses, they are adorable.
Look, it's a goose.
Yay!
Geese are loud and watchful. They honk to guard the farm and protect other animals. They also love swimming in ponds with their long necks.
That's a buffalo.
Yay!
Buffalo are large, strong animals. Farmers use them to plow fields and carry heavy loads. They also give rich, creamy milk.
Here comes a lamb.
Yay!
Baby sheep are called lambs. They are playful, soft, and bouncy. Their gentle bleats sound sweet across the fields.
Here comes a donkey foal.
Yay!
Baby donkeys are called foals. They are playful, gentle, and love running beside their mothers. Their big ears make them extra cute.
Look, it's a goose gosling.
Yay!
Baby geese are called goslings. They are soft, gray, and adorable. They learn to swim by following their parents.
Say hi to a llama.
Yay!
Llamas are tall, fluffy animals with long necks. They carry loads on their backs and live happily on farms. Sometimes they even hum when calm.
Look, it's a goat kid.
Yay!
Baby goats are called kids. They jump, hop, and play all day long. With tiny horns, they look extra cute on the farm.
Here comes a pony.
Yay!
Ponies are small but strong horses. Children love to ride them. With shiny coats and flowing manes, they look magical.
That's an ox.
Yay!
Oxen are big, powerful animals. They work hard pulling carts and plowing the land. Calm and strong, they are true helpers to farmers.
This is a duckling.
Yay!
Baby ducks are called ducklings. They follow their mother in a neat line. Soft and fluffy, they love swimming together in ponds.
Say hi to a chick.
Yay!
Baby hens are called chicks. They are tiny, yellow, and fluffy. They peep happily while staying close to their mother hen.
That's a horse foal.
Yay!
Baby horses are called foals. They stand on wobbly legs but soon run quickly. They stay close to their mothers while exploring.
This is a piglet.
Yay!
Baby pigs are called piglets. They are pink, tiny, and squeal loudly. They love cuddling together and playing in mud.
Say hello to a rabbit kitten.
Yay!
Baby rabbits are called kittens. They are small, soft, and love hiding in burrows. With closed eyes, they snuggle close to their mother.
Look, it's a mule.
Yay!
Mules are strong animals, part donkey and part horse. They are tough, hardworking, and great helpers for farmers.
Here comes a farm goose.
Yay!
Farm geese are brave guards. They honk loudly to warn of danger. They love swimming in ponds and walking in flocks.
Say hi to a farm dog puppy.
Yay!
Puppies are baby dogs. They are playful, wagging their tails with joy. They love running, jumping, and cuddling with kids on the farm.
Great job, little farmers! We met so many wonderful farm animals today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always stay kind to animals.